guys, my name is Alex, and if you want to see how I got this eye makeup look using the Anastasia Prism palette, then please keep watching. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's eye makeup look, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Prism palette. This palette comes with 14 shades, universal neutrals, and prismatic metallics. It's definitely a fun palette to play around with. So let's get into it. Okay, so before I put on any shadows, of course, I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyelids. I'm just going to take my concealer, try and be as quickly as possible. I feel like I take so long to do everything. So jumping in, I'm going to take the color Lucid as my first color. Right here. I don't know if you could see that. It's like, I feel like it has like a hint of like green, it looks like a sea foam green sparkly color is what it looks like. So I'm going to take that and I'm going to put it underneath my brow bone. So like zoom in a little. I feel like you might be able to see it more now. So for my next color, I'm going to be using the color Saturn, which is this pretty orange color here. And I'm going to put that above the crease. Ooh, it took a lot. It took a lot of that. The next color taking is Throne, and I'm going to put this, it's like an emerald green, I would say. It's really pretty. I'm going to use that in my crease. And I'm going to concentrate on putting it in my crease. Keep blending. I don't want to put too much because I feel like if I put too much it's going to go everywhere and it's going to be messy. So I'm going to slowly build. I'm going to move it in a little bit from the inner corner, not to like the middle or the center of the lid, but to about here. So I'm going to use the color Eternal. Okay, I'm going to use this flat brush and I'm going to put on Eternal. Wow! What? And I'm going to take it up a little bit. Okay, so I'm going to place it with this flat brush. And then I'm going to take another brush and blend it. Taking it out. I'm going to blend Eternal. I'm going to take the color Eternal, I'm going to take the color Pyramid, which is this gold color, and I'm going to put it in the inner corner right here. Uh-oh. It may have been more than I wanted. It's okay. I can take Throne again. Just bring it in. Going over Throne again just so I don't lose the color. Alright guys, so I'm going to do the rest of my face off camera and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm still like, I don't know what lip to use. I picked the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in the color Trendsetter. I feel like this is a pretty, it's not intense color. Since I take forever, I'm probably going to speed this up a bit. Alright guys, this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos from me, please hit the subscribe button down below and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye!